Hi guys, yesterday we discussed about the what is the Power BI and the history of Power BI as well as the when it came into the picture and all. In this session we'll learn about Power BI components, Power BI building blocks as well as the how to load the data into the Power BI from the different sources. As well as we'll learn about the edit query. In the edit query, we'll see the first row as a header, replace the value, how to mix the columns, how to move the columns, as well as how to split the columns. Now we'll move to what is the Power BI components. We have a three main components of Power BI, that is Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, as well as Power BI mobile apps. Now I will show you the Power BI Desktop. This is how it looks like Power BI Desktop. Once you open the Power BI Desktop, this is how it looks like. Before that, I will tell you how to install the Power BI Desktop. Once you open the Chrome or any other browsers, you need to type Power BI Desktop. So once you type the Power BI Desktop, it will coming as like Power BI Desktop, like Microsoft Power BI Desktop. You need to click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will show it as like this. You need to click on download button, which is highlighted in the rose color. So I have already downloaded, so I have not clicking the button. So who are not downloaded it, please download and install the Power BI Desktop. Once it is installed, you need to come up with the search bar and you need to type it as Power BI. So it will show like this logo and you need to click on Power BI Desktop. Once you enter, it will open the Power BI Desktop. This is how it looks like. So this is the Power BI Desktop. Under the Power BI Desktop, we have a options file, home, insert, modeling, view, help, and all. And right side panel, we have a fields visualization and filters. In that visualization, we have a different types of n number of visualization inbuilt. So this is how Power BI Desktop looks like. Coming to Power BI Service. Once we develop the reports in the Power BI Desktop, we will publish into the, this is a publish option, we will publish into the Power BI Service and Power BI over apps. By defaultly, we have a Power BI Desktop view, but we need to show it or we need to develop a reports in the Power BI layout. Means under view option we have a mobile layout. You need to click on this option. So once you click on this option, it will automatically turn into mobile layout. So this is how it looks like. See, in the right side under visualization, once you create the all visuals, it will show the list of visuals here. You need to do drag and drop these visuals. We will discuss about later for this mobile layout. Now coming to Power BI building blocks. The Power BI building blocks are very important when you are creating the reports or dashboards. This is the main pillars for creating the Power BI reports. Visualizations. Visualization is nothing but we have a different types of charts or visuals in the Power BI desktop. This is the right side. We have a visualization panel. The visualization we have different types of charts or different types of visuals. Based on the help of data, we will go with different types of visualization. This is a visualization and data set. Data sets is nothing but data. Reports means with the help of visualization will create the reports. The report contains the multiple pages and dashboard. Dashboard is nothing but the collection of visuals from the reports or multiple reports from the multiple pages. This is called dashboard. Tile. Tile is nothing but a pinned visual, like it is a snapshot of visual pinned to the dashboard. Like tile is a snapshot of visual of the reports or dashboards. This is a tile. Power BI components and Power BI building blocks are the very important for interview. Each and every interview they will ask what is the Power BI components and what is the building blocks for Power BI report. Now we will learn about how to load the data from the different sources. We have an option under the home get data. If you click on get data, we have a common data sources by defaultly it will show. Except that we have a more option. If you click on that, it will show the different types of sources. So it is taking time. Wait. Yeah. So once you click on more, it will show the all file. Under file we have a Excel, text, CSV, XML, JSON, folder, PDF, workbit, share folder. Under database we have a SQL Server database, Access, SQL Server analysis service, database, IBM, Teradata, SAP and all. Under Power Platform we have a Power BI datasets, data mods, data flows and all. Under Azure we have a related to Azure database and all, as well as under online we have like AWS, SharePoint, Salesforce and remaining others. So this is the sources we have. So we'll go with Excel workbook. I'm taking the sample data. So once you click on that folder, so you need, this is how it looks like and it will load the data and you want to select the n number of, like it will show the different types of folders. I have only one file in that folder, so it is showing only one table. If you have multiple tables means which table you need to load, you need to select. So this is the preview of the data. So once you will get like this, you need to click on transform data. Once you click on transform data, it will open the new window called as a Power Query Editor. It is directly taking you to the Power Query Editor. In the Power Query Editor, we will do the all types of transformation data. We will say the simply will called as a cleansing the data. It's called cleansing the data. Here we will do the all types of transformation data, like under transform, first we'll go with detect the data type. Like this is the normally we have a numerical values. This is the type is numeric. But if it is coming as a string means if you go with detect data type, it is automatically taking into numbers from string to numbers. And one more is we can go with replace the values. Replace or we'll go with remove the duplicate. Once we load the data, we need to check whether the data is unique or it is duplicated. It is included duplicate values. Now we have 72 rows as well as 8 columns. So once you go and remove the duplicates, then it will remove the all duplicated records or duplicated rows. Now see, it is a 46 rows. Now we'll go with the replace values. Replace values. So I have a central. Instead of central, we'll go and I will replace with middle. Middle. Yeah. So it will replace with middle. So one thing you have observed or not, I don't know, but see in the right side under apply steps, what we did the activities, it will create the one step further. Like have changed the change data type means I have detect the data type, remove the duplicates and replace value. It will create the one step for every activity. And so for these two I will merge. So I will go with merge columns. Merge. Okay. Merge columns. Merge column with I need a one space between two columns. So merge with space. Charting space binder. So it is merged automatically. So when did merge the both columns, see one step will be added. So now I want to split the column. We have different types of option under the split column. With by delimiter you need to split, or by number of characters we need to split, or by positions or lowercase uppercase, digit to non-digit, digit to non-digit to digit. I am going with by delimiter. We have a leftmost delimiter, rightmost delimiter, each occurrence of the delimiter. Leftmost delimiter means we have a spaces in the words. Three spaces we have means first up to first space it will take a one column, remaining two spaces will take a, after the first space it will take a second column. Rightmost delimiter means up to last space it will take a one column, and last space it will take a another column. Each occurrence of the delimiter means how many spaces we have in the word, in the column, that many columns it will divided and it will splitted and given the result. Okay, so we have a one space, so it is splitted twice, splitted and given the two columns. So I will divide this. Okay, divide this with, I will split the column with number of characters. Number of characters 4. So So we'll see blind up to 4 one column, after the 4 one column. This is the split by column. Now I have to move. If you don't want these steps like what we did the changes, how, how to back the last step means we need to delete these steps. If you delete, then we can go back. Okay, like this, split column by delete. Yeah. So I want to move. This is to move to last and move to end. So I want this to move to left or to begin. So this is the movement. We have a right. This is move to right. This is the steps we have. So first row replacement split. Yeah, friends, that's it for today's class, and we'll discuss about the remaining options in edit query. So thank you guys. Thank you for supporting us.